Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I just wanted to do a haul for lbeads.com. They asked me to review a few products. So I did. I got a few things I wanted to share with y'all. So first I wanted to let y'all know that I have a coupon code. So if you go to their website and you want to make a purchase, I will add the coupon code below. So the first thing that I got was these. I've been wanting to get these for a while, I just never did. These flower charms. They're like, I want to say tassels, but they're not. They're little flower charms. Really cute flower charms. Pretty colors. It's pretty red. These blues. I like this blue. So I got all these colors and they were 20 pieces, and the price I will just put on the screen like I have been doing. So I got that, and then I got I have no idea what these are called. I can't remember, but I'm going to make some charms out of them. So if I can get this open. There is 3 pieces. So I got, these are stuck together. These here. And then I got the gold ones. They're like a little bigger than that one. This one's probably like 2 inches. Wait, let me see. This one's 3 inches, and this one is 2. Also got these. Are good to make like tassels that are just all ribbon, and they're also just good for making bracelets. So I'm going to be making bracelets and tassels. I got this one. I thought that these were actually smaller than what they're showing, but you put the cord or ribbon or whatever you want to add in there to make bracelets. This is the other piece to it. So is that. And then I got these 2 clasps. And take this one out because I can't really see it that well in the bag. And these are for super pretty. I really like this one. It has like a opening. So you can pretty much do bracelets, necklaces out of these here. And then 2 more things. I was really surprised. And this here, there's 300 pieces in here. I can't remember how much it was, but I'm going to be linking that on the screen so you can see. And I think it was Natalie that I saw making some tassels out of these types here. So I'm going to be making some tassels. And then I got these pre-made tassels that come 100 pieces, and they're about 3 inches in length. So here, I wish it would focus. It's not focusing. There's just a little spot in the center where you can add a jump ring to it. And I just got the mixed colors. I have this really pretty blue. Over here. Purples. love this one. This is like mermaid purple. And that's what I got from them. So check them out. I will add the coupon code, and I will be making some things coming up using these items. Thank you so much for watching.